Hello children. Today I am going to do un sound. Tick the pictures of those words that end with un. Observe this picture. Here, look, this is a picture of a bakery shop. Buns are here. Sun, none. This boy is running. So in this picture you have to find the words of the pictures that is ending with un. And if you don't know the answers, see here, the answers are given in the column below. RUN run, NUN none, SUN sun, BUN bun. RUN run, for RUN run, this boy is running. Put tick mark here. For NUN none, put tick mark here. For SUN sun, put tick mark here. And for BUN bun, put tick mark here. Look, observe carefully. In all the words, un is coming in the end. R, un run, N, un none, S, un sun, B, un bun. RUN run, NUN none, SUN sun, BUN bun. So memorize all these words. Next is un sound. In this you have to match the words to their pictures. So let's start. You have to look, words are given, opposite side pictures are given, and you have to match the words with pictures. So this is BUN bun. So draw a straight line here. This is the picture of a bun. Join bun with this picture. This is NUN none. Draw a straight line and join with this picture NUN none. This is RUN run. Draw a straight line and join with this picture. A boy is running here, and this is SUN sun. So draw a straight line here, join this picture SUN sun. Next is trace and write the given words. BUN bun, SUN sun, NUN none, RUN run. These all four words you have to trace and write. Next is um. Here what you have to do? Same, tick the pictures of those words that end with Let's find out. Observe the pictures carefully. What you see in the picture: windows, curtains, trees, a girl, books, gum. This girl is doing math, solving math, sum. So see the answers: GUM SUM sum. GUM SUM sum. For GUM, put tick mark here, GUM, and this is SUM sum, but sum, put tick mark here. Memorize the spelling: gum, S, sum. See, in the end, word is coming, sound, gum, SUM sum. Next is sound. Circle the correct pictures for the given names. This is gum. Two pictures are given here. you have to circle the correct picture. This is G-U-M, gum. Circle this one. This is M-U-M, mum. This is the correct picture. A boy is keeping finger on his lips. Circle this one. S-U-M, sum. For sum, put tick mark. Circle this one. This is the sum. Next is U-G, ugh. U-G, ugh. Here you have to tick the pictures of those words that end with U-G, ugh. Now let's find out. Look here. Two girls are hugging each other, and jug, mug, bug, and rug. So put tick mark here for J-U-G, jug. This is M-U-G, mug. B-U-G, bug. R-U-G, rug. And two girls are hugging each other. So put tick mark here for H-U-G, hug. And see, the answers are given here in the column below. H-U-G, hug. J-U-G, jug. B-U-G, bug. M-U-G, mug. R-U-G, rug. See, in all the words in the end, what is coming? U-G. Ugh. Ugh sound. Ugh. U-G. Word. H. 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 Ugh. Hug. J. 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 Ugh. Jug. B. 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 Ugh. Bug. M. 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 Ugh. Mug. R. 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 Ugh. Rug. So you have to memorize all these words. Next is U-G, ugh. U-G, ugh. Here you have to name the pictures. Name the pictures. Look, these two girls hugging each other. Spelling of hug is H-U-G. So you write here. Spelling of mug is M-U-G. Right here. Spelling of jug is J-U-G. Right here. And spelling of bug is B-U-G, bug. Right here. Next is U-T, ut. Ut. Here what you have to do? Tick the pictures of those words that end with U-T, ut. See the pictures carefully. See here. Hut. H-U-T, hut. And here N-U-T, nut. This woman is cutting vegetables. C-U-T, cut. See the answers here. C-U-T, cut. N-U-T, nut. H-U-T, hut. For H-U-T, hut, put tick mark here. For N-U-T, nut, put tick mark here. And for C-U-T, cut, put tick mark here. Look, in all the words, U-T word is coming in the end. C, K, ut, cut. N, N, ut, nut. H, H, ut, hut. Next is U-T, ut. Here what you have to do? Fill in the missing letters. This is a picture of a hut. Spelling of hut is H-U-T. Look, H is missing, U is missing. You fill the correct letters here, H-U-T, hut. Here in this picture, see a piece of paper. A scissor is cutting the paper. So spelling of cut is C-U-T. U is missing, write U, C-U-T, cut. Here is a picture of nut, walnut. Spelling of nut is N-U-T. U-N-T is missing, write U-T, N-U-T, nut. This is U-P, up, up. Here what you have to do, tick the pictures of those words that end with U-P, up. Observe the picture carefully. What you can see? CU pickup. For CU pickup, put tick mark here. This boy is sitting up on the stairs. For UP up, put tick mark here. And this is PUP pup. For PUP pup, put tick mark here. Look the answers. CUP cup, PUP pup, UP up. K up cup, P up pup, UP up. In all the words, up word is coming in the end. So memorize this word. Here UP up. Circle the correct pictures for the given names. What you have to do, words are given here. 2 pictures are given. Circle the correct picture. This is PUP pup. Circle this one. This is CUP cup. Circle this one. And this is UP up. This boy is sitting up on the stairs. Circle this one. Next is UB ub. Ub, the ending words. Here you have to tick the pictures of those words that end with UB ub. Find out words, the pictures word. Look, CUB cub. For CUB cub, put tick mark here. This boy is rubbing his cub with towel. For rubbing, RUB rub, put tick mark here. And this is a tub. For TUB tub, put tick mark here. See the answers here given below in this column. RUB rub, TUB tub, CUB cub. In all the words, UB ub word is coming in the end. Ub, R, ub rub, T, ch ub tub, C, k ub cub. Next is UB ub. Ub word, tick the correct names for the given pictures. See, the pictures are given. It's a picture of a tub. This is TUB, this is CUB. The correct word is TUB. Put tick mark here for TUB. This is a picture of a cub. See, 2 words are given. CUB cub, RUB rub. Which is the correct name? This one, CUB cub. Put tick mark here. This boy is rubbing his body with a towel. For rubbing, RUB rub. And this is TUB tub. 2 words are given. Which is the correct one? RUB rub. Put tick mark here in this box. Next I will do this A vowel. Thank you.